everyone, welcome back to Survival Addiction. Today we will be unboxing Battlbox for March 2022. I believe it's Mission 85. Okay, so let's get started. Yep, it's Mission 85. So before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay. So the very first item is this storm safety whistle. So I have gotten this in another unboxing. I think it was for Still to Reel, and it's an incredibly high frequency whistle. And I like that it's super big. It's really hard for my son to lose it. So I can't complain too much about that, and they're saying it's $6.50. Sounds about average for that. Okay, so item number 2 in the basic box is the Compact Provisions, the BP5S. So this goes for $14.99. I don't know. It doesn't seem like it would be super tasty, but it might be pretty good for, you know, a survival situation. It has a 5-year shelf life. So keep an eye out. I plan on doing a video. I'll get around to it eventually. And I'll test these out and let you know what I think of them. So the third item is this Harlow Road Candle. Okay, so it is citronella, and it's $16. Seems a little pricey for a candle, and I don't see anything that says how long it lasts, although it is made using soy, so that's a little scary. Soy is an endocrine disruptor. So that's not necessarily a good thing. You want to try and avoid endocrine disruptors if you can. But you know what? This is pretty cool. And then the last item in the basic box are these My Medic Billy Bands. These go for $26. Seems kind of pricey personally. But if I remember right, when I was looking on the actual My Medic website, they're actually more expensive. It's a cool idea. You use this to hold on to like flashlights, tourniquets, chem lights. They have like a whole list of items that you can use with them, and there's probably a lot more that you can use also. But it's a cool idea. Honestly, it reminds me of like a hair thing that you put in your hair. It doesn't seem like it would be super hard to make. So I don't think I would have paid that much for these personally. I think maximum like $10 for this. But anyways, even with this only being like $10, I still feel like I made my money back with it, and I'm pretty happy with this basic box that I got. I'm glad I didn't get the entire box. I mean, not saying that those aren't good things to get, just for me it wouldn't be. So honestly, this box is probably one of my favorite ones that Battlbox has come out with. Let me know what you guys think. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.